Good morning children, welcome to my channel Computer Education 2K. So the question is, write a program to print the prime numbers from 1 to 100 or write a program to print all the perfect numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So I think you have done program on checking prime number and perfect number. There you have checked whether a number is perfect number or prime number. Okay, but today we will check. Today we will not check. Today we will print 1 to 100 prime numbers, and then one more program we will do. There we will do 1 to 100 perfect numbers. Okay. So first I will see how to print all perfect numbers, all prime numbers from 1 to 100. Now you keep in mind one thing. In this question, it is not asked you to enter any number. It is not asked you to enter any number. Here the question is, write a program to print all prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So it is not asked to enter any number and check it is prime number or not. Not asked. It is only said print all prime numbers from 1 to 100. So we are not going to enter any number here. Okay. That's why you have seen I have not given any message here, enter a number. I have not given, and I have not written n equals to sc.next int. Those lines are not needed. I have taken this loop, I equals to 1, I less than equals to 100, I plus plus. Means in this loop we will have all the numbers. In I we will have 1, in I we will have 2, in I we will have 3, like this. In I we will have till 100. So in this loop only we will get all the numbers, no need to enter any numbers. In I we will store all the numbers by using the for loop. So I have written for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 100, I plus plus. Means now in this loop only all the numbers are there. So from here I will take one number and I will check here whether it is prime number or not. Suppose from the for loop, first time the value of I is 1, so I will take 1 and I will check here it is prime number or not. If it is prime number, I will print. Then the value of I will be 2, so I will bring 2 over here and I will check whether it is prime number or not. If it is prime number, I will print 2. Then I will take, then I will become 3, I will take 3, then I will be 4, then I will be 5, then I will be 6, then I will be 7, then I will be 8, then I will be 9, I will be 10, then I will be 11. So this way the value of I will increase, and those I value we will take here and we will check whether the value is prime or not. If it is prime, then we will print that number. Otherwise we will not print the number. Suppose first time the value of I is 1. Okay. Then the value of I is 2, then the value of I is 3, then the value of I is 4, then the value of I is 5. Suppose the value of I is 5, because I is continuously increasing because I plus plus. Now at a stage where I value is 5, suppose I value is 5 now. So that value I am taking I and I am coming down. So I have made one more loop here, j equals to 1, j less than equals to I, j plus plus. Okay. So I value is 5, and by using this loop, j loop, we will check whether this number is prime or not. How? See. First time the value of I is 5. Okay. You can see is I modulus j, means I divide by j and see the remainder is 0 or not. So I value is 5. What is j now? J is 1. So 5 by 1. Is it divisible? Yes, divisible. Now once you have started this loop will continue till 5 because I is 5. This loop will continue till 5, then it will go back and it will go to the outer loop here. So first time the I value is 1 and I value is 5 and j value is 1. So 5 by 1, is the condition true? Is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. Then C will become here 1. C will become here 1. Now to go back, now j will be 2, but I is still 5. J will be 2 now. So 5 by 2, if we divide, is the remainder 0? No. So here that C value will not increase. Okay, now j will be 3, 5 by 3. Is it divisible? No. Then C value will not increase. Then J will be 4. 5 by 4. Is it divisible? 5 by 4 is it divisible? No. Then this condition is false because I is 5, J is 4. Not divisible, the C value will not increase. Okay. Now I is 5, now J will be 5. Next time J will be 5. So 5 by 5. Is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible. This condition is true. When J is 5, at last J will be 5. So I is already 5. So 5 by 5, this condition is true. And then C value will increase. Now C will become 2. Okay. And then the loop is finished because I reached this condition has reached to its last. Okay. Now this is finished. Now coming down, this loop is finished. Now the control will come here. What is the value of C here? C is 2. Now this computer will check, is the condition true? Yes, C equals to 2. Then the computer will print 5. Because C is 2, you have seen the value of C has become 2. So the condition is true and computer will print 5 because I was 5. Computer will print 5. Then C. Then next time I value will be 6. Then come down, J will be 1 to 6. Okay. Then again it will be I this time will be what? I next time will be 6. J will be again from 1 to 6. So 6 by 1 it will go, then C will become 1. Then 6 by 2 it will go, C will become 2. Then 6 by 3 it will go, then C will become 3. Then 6 by 4 it will not go, 6 by 5 will not go, 6 by 6 it will go, then C will become 4. In case of 6, C will become 4. Okay. And when this loop will finish, control will come back to here and it will check here. C is 4 now. Is this condition true? Condition is not true. Then the value of I will not be printed. 6 will not be printed. Okay. 6 will not be printed. Okay. Then C will be 0 for the next number. C will be 0 for the next number. Now the I will be 7 now. Now what's the value of I? Now the value of I will be 7. See here carefully. Now the value of I will be 7. Okay. Now J will be again 1 to 7. Okay. Now see. I is 7. First time J, again J will be 1 to 7. That this loop will run 7 times. So you can see here I is what? 7. J is 1. So 7 by 1. Is it going? Yes, going. The value of C will increase. C will become 1. Then the value of J will be 2. But I is 7. 7 by 2 is going, not going. The condition is false. Then C will not increase. Okay. Then 7 by 3. I will be 3, not going. C will not increase. Then 7 by 4, not going. C will not increase. Then 7 by 5, not going. C will not increase. Then 7 by 6, not going. C will not increase. And then 7 by 7 is going. At last, when the value of J is 7, I is already 7. So 7 by 7, it is divisible. If we divide 7 by 7, remainder will be 0. Yes, it's going. So C will become 1 more, then C will become 2. Now C will become 2. And this loop is finished. Control will come here. C is 2. Yes, C is 2. Now computer will print 7. So it was, computer has printed 5. Now it is printing 7. Okay. And then after printing 7, C will become 0 again because for the next number will be what? 8. Again 8 will be checked here. 8 is not prime number. 8 will not be printed. Then next number is 9. Again 9 will be checked here. 9 is not prime number. It will not be printed. Then again I will be 10. Again 10 will be checked here. 10 is not prime number. 10 will not be printed. Again I will be 11. Again 11 will be checked here. 11 is prime number. Then 11 will be printed. Then C will become 0 for the next number. Again now I will become 12. 12 is not prime number. It will not be printed. Then next number will be 13. Again 13 is prime number. It will be checked here and 13 will be printed. Then again C value will become 0 for the next number, and this way all the numbers will be printed here from 1 to 100. All the numbers will be printed here from 1 to 100. Okay. So this way you can do, or you can print all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, from 1 to 100. Now, next question is write a program to print all perfect numbers from 1 to 100. All perfect number from 1 to 100. Again, in this question, it is not asked to enter any number, so we will not enter any number. So we will take all the value in the loop only. So I have taken all the value in the for loop. For I equals to 1, I less than equals to 100, I plus plus. Okay, all the value 1 to 100 I have taken in the for loop. Okay, okay. You can see here I have taken three variables I, j and s. S for sum. You know that perfect number, you have to find out the sum of the factors. Perfect number, you know, perfect number is a number whose sum of the factors is equal to that number, excluding the number. Say 6 is perfect number. Okay. So here we are not going to enter any number from the keyboard. We have taken all the numbers in the loop itself, for loop. Okay. Now, see, first time the value of I will be 1. Okay. I is not perfect number, it is not printed. Then 2, I will be 2. 2 is not a perfect number, it will not be printed. Then I will be 3. 3 is not a perfect number, 3 will not be printed. Then I will be 4. See, all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers will be checked here. And because those are not perfect numbers, those will not be printed. Then I will be 5. 5 is not perfect number, that number will also not be printed. Then I will be 6. When I will be 6, see, I am just showing you how the program will run. When I will be 6, suppose I is 6. Suppose I is 6. How the program will run now? See. Now I is 6. J will be what? J will be 1 to 5 because I have written here j equals to 1, j less than equals to I minus to 1, j plus plus. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this loop will run 5 times. J will be 1, j will be 2, j will be 3, j will be 4, j will be 5. I is 6. Okay? See here. Now here we will first find the factors and then we will find the sum of the factors here. Because you know in perfect number you have to find the sum of the factors. So here we will find the factors using division method. I is 1, j is 1, I is 6, j is 1. So here I am doing what? 6 by 1. If you divide 6 by 1, is the remainder 0? Yes, remainder is 0. Condition is true. Then s will become 1. S will become here 1 because this is 0. So s equals to 0 plus 1 is 1. S will be 1 now. Then this loop will run 5 times. So next time j will be 2. But I is still 6. So 6 by 2. Is it going? 6 by 2 is going? Yes, going. Then the value of that 2 will come in S here. Then j value will be 3. I is still 6. So 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is going. I is 6, j is 3. 6 by 3 is it going? The condition is true, is going. Then 3 will be stored in S plus 3. Then j will be now 4, but I is still 6. 6 by 4. Is it going? Not going. The condition is false. See, I is 6, j is 4. Is going? Not going. Condition is false. So that 4 will not come here. 4 will not be stored in S. Okay, next. J will be 5. I is still 6. 6 by 5. Is it going? Not going. I is 6, j is 5. Not going. That because condition is false. That 5 will not come here in S. 5 will not be stored here in S. Then this loop is finished now. Till 5. Finished. Okay. This loop is finished. The control will come down. Control will come here. I have written here S equals to I. What is the value of S? S is 6 here. Okay. What is the value of I? I is 6. Both is matching. If both is matching, computer will print that number. Computer will print 6. And now for the next number. You have to make this as 0. So I have made this as 0 here. Now the next number will be 7. Okay, this way 7 will be checked, 8 will be checked, 9 will be checked, 10 will be checked. All those numbers are not perfect number. Those numbers will not be printed. Then it will go on. When I will become 28, 28 is perfect number. It will be checked here and 28 will be printed. So this way all perfect number will be printed here. Okay. So you have seen how to write the program for printing all perfect numbers from 1 to 100. Okay children. Okay, today this much. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Computer Education. Thank you very much.